Okay, friends, so hopefully you saw my Not Just for Boys Kit Club main kit unboxing. Holy moly, is it gorgeous. But now I have the Christmas kit, which is released in October 2020, as well as some a la carte items from the store. And I really wanted to share with you. They sent them, so I got to share them. They're awesome. So the first thing is we have this winter die cut, and they always send it in really nice, easy packaging. You can see what you have. And I always use the packaging to do my mixed media, like mixing on, so I don't have to do cleanup. And it comes with a gray piece of cardstock, and make sure to use that too. It is super usable. Now the next little goodie package I have here are some of these. Oh, they're so cool. They are tabs, and we have Hello Autumn, Thankful, and Fall Fun. And they have this really great packaging that they send, and you can stamp on it and use it, and it's super great. Last month I did a layout using a bunch of those. But look at how great these tabs are, and they are like really cut in, just crisp and sharp and perfect. Now look at this acrylic piece that reads December. Oh my goodness. The packaging thing again, but it is like a perfect cherry red. Absolutely a perfect cherry red. And here are some of the enamel dots, because I'm so into enamel dots, and they kind of know that. This one's from Echo Park, something Christmas. Oh, my favorite Christmas. And, I never care if they're from a Christmas collection or not. Use them all the time. So we have a navy, a nice red, and look at this. We have 3 different reds in these collections, by the way. Like, super different. I'm going to go like this, because they all have like the same basic idea for Christmas colors, but they're all different. The greens are different. The reds are different. Actually, the whitish shades are all different. So I have Here Comes Santa Claus, A Cozy Christmas, and My Favorite Christmas, worth of enamel dots from the store. Oh, love my enamel dots. It's kind of like the big finisher, except look what that did to me, friends. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now, I have a thing for sequins with stuff in them, if you know what I mean. Like sequins with little tiny trees in them. How cute is this mix? Oh, let me tell you what it's called. They all have names. This is Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. And there I see little white trees, kind of coppery sequins, bright blue, and a gorgeous, gorgeous Union Soldier blue. Do you see those bad boys? So cute. Little baby Christmas trees. Now, but this is the thing. I won't keep them with my Christmas stuff. I will use up all of those little white trees and then use the other colors on everything else. Now, here's the next one. It is called Dashing Through the Snow. Same thing. We've got these adorable little trees, right? But I also see like kind of clear, sparkly, shiny ones, and a beautiful seafoam green in here. They are just stunning. Oh, and kind of like a clear metallic bluey green too. So super pretty. Depending on your sequin needs, I wanted to show you these. This one's called Carpe Noctem for Halloween. And oh gosh, I hope the camera will pick this up. Oh gosh. There is, on the little white ones, I'm so hoping it picks it up, little tiny ghosties on the little white ones. And then we also have a black and a really nice, almost like a mac and cheese orange. So those are gorgeous, awesome, beautiful. So once again, I won't leave them with my Halloween stuff though. I will keep them out, use up all the ghosties that I can on my Halloween layouts. And they're very generous with the ghosties. And, and sprinkle the black and orange around, then I'll have black and orange. This is called Spooky Nights. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, beyond awesome. Let's see we have a metallic teal. On the white, there are little spider webs, and there are little black bats in here. And then there are orange sequins as well. I mean, come on. Come on. For somebody that has a thing about sequins with things in them, talk about being spot on. Oh, there's a sequin riding shotgun right there. Oh, he goes in that one. Oh, and I have a little star. Guys, They're jumping out at me. Where does the little star go? Oh no, there's a little tiny star. Okay, this one is called Boughs of Holly. And this little set, we've got a gold and we have itty bitty red ones, and there are little metallic green holly leaves in here. I mean, come on. How cute is that? So those are stunning. And you know what I love? That they put them in these little containers and you can actually see what you have. And they don't go flying. Like if they're just in a baggie, those bad boys are going flying if I have them. All right, this one is called Christmas Traditions. And these are much bigger red metallic sequins. These great snowflakes. And I'm seeing brown wood grain and gold metallic sequins. Oh, what a mix. And the red sequins, I can see there's really big ones and I see little ones too. So you have variation and pretty darn nice size white snowflakes. So those are cool. Almost done. I haven't even shown you the Christmas kit yet. How impressive is this so far? This one's called Candy Corn, another one that's out for Halloween. And y'all know my opinion with that. I just use what I use. So I see little tiny iridescent white star cutouts. This is like an iridescent yellow gold, but it's picking up all these other little colors. We have like shiny white. Oh my gosh. And like cut out iridescent peachy colored ones. So there's all kinds of great tones in there. Oh, that's really a pleasant combo. That is gorgeous. And then the last one is called Courageous. And oh my goodness. This has, look, variegated orange, blue stars, little tiny, like they're like iridescent little tiny green squares, white sequins, and little black sequins. So y'all need a little sequin hookup. Look at this. Okay. I am overly excited about this, but now I'm going to show you the Christmas kit. Oh my goodness. Okay, I get really excited, and people have told me, yeah, you seemed a little excited. Yeah, because I am. It's kind of like Christmas every month when my kit comes in. And, you know, I have to wait for the mail lady to leave so I can attack it. It's a big deal. Quite the big deal for me. Okay, so let's shimmy this out. So I'm getting a nostalgic Christmas vibe from it already, but let's see what we have. I can't wait to show you. Okay, and I only have singles of these. So my very first one, it is a wood grain, which means it's a great day. And it's called Chestnut Nut and White Dot. And I know I would have the wood grain going this way, so I'll show it to you that way. Really nice, deep, rich wood grain. I would have this part on the bottom, and this has a lighter bit, so I know I would already have it there. Anyway, gorgeous wood grain. The other side is a pretty white dot with little gray dots, and that looks like pegboard to me. So let's, oh, Rocco is saying woof. All right, so the next one, this is by Carte. So we have that great texture and that heavy weight. It's called Black and Cream Plaid. So this has this really great tone on tone. It's red, but it has like a depth to the red, especially the pattern in the background. And this is a gorgeous plaid. So it's cream, that same bricky red and black. This one is Carte. Again, it's from Snowflake, or it's called Snowflakes from Christmas Market. And it's a really great black and white plaid. And this side, oh, it's that like this really great brick red, but it's actually variegated, which makes it cool, and really gorgeous white snowflakes. Gorgeous. This is another Carte paper. It is from Christmas, and it is called 3x4 journaling cards. So we've got a brick red plaid again, and it looks like with white, and then oh, this is beautiful. 3x4 cards, and no, I know that I will be fussy cutting out a lot of these pieces. Like, look at that deer silhouette. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'll show you like A sides and B sides. So this is Bo Bunny Joyful Christmas. It is called the 12-inch Joyful Christmas Birch. So you see the birch tree, but it also has a little bit of treatment. That is beautiful. And then this side is a black and green plaid with a little bit of Christmassy kind of writing, but it's not like in your face with it. That is gorgeous. Love the birch though. Next one is from Echo Park. It is Twas the Night Before Christmas collection, and it's called Winter Greenery. Very nice, deep red with cream stripes. And the backside is gorgeous. It is Christmas greenery. So it's cream background with that really deep, rich red and a gorgeous kind of greenery. Oh, okay, so that's our papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers. And let me show you the B-sides so you can get a really nice idea of what we have. And it's that gorgeous, my friends. So with this, we get a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. It is Farmhouse Christmas from Carte. Like, look at that tractor. We have Merry Christmas in banners. That gorgeous Christmas tree. I mean, spot on color match. We've got the mantle. It says Santa's North Pole. It is the bee's knees. Even look at those boots. Who doesn't want those boots now? I want those boots now. Super cute. Also like the borders. Now the cut file comes with gray cardstock, and it looks like a poinsettia. That would be gorgeous to fill in. Chances are I'm going to have to fill it in with sequins because I don't want to waste even a tiny, tiny bit of my pattern paper. Probably how it's going to go. We have got this gorgeous wood cutout of this deer. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous with the no waste packaging that you know I am into. And I like it because the outside edges of it almost look burnished. That is a really cool treatment. Oh, okay, I was reading my card. We did receive 2 pieces, guys, of A Christmas Carol of the book to use with this. What a great touch. Hello. The alpha is called Swing. They are thickers, and it is a white chipboard with metallic gold. So let's do the R test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 R's, so we know. I run out of R's before I run out of anything else generally. We've got some numbers, which is fine because I'll put my little, 2020 for Christmas. So we have that. Now let's check these out. These are buttons, and look at what's on the buttons. It's burnished with birds on a branch. That is gorgeous. And the packaging thing, I know I kind of blah, blah, blah about the packaging. All right, so next we have a sequin mix. And let's see. Is this the same as this one? Yes. So this one is called Christmas Traditions. And I showed it to you before. It has the 2 sizes of the metallic red, nicer size white snowflakes, itty bitty little white snowflakes, as well as brown wood grain sequins. So a gorgeous sequins mix. And let's see, mixed media goodie. We have the entire Heidi Swap stamp set. Let's see, does it have a name? Does it have a name? What is in a name? Heidi Swap Christmas, I think is what it's called. So it's a stamp set, which is great. It has Merry Christmas, makes me think I might be making my own Christmas cards now. I like the season's greetings, but now check this out. We have greenery bits, so we can make a wreath. We know that. We've got this gorgeous deer. Remember that you guys can use this stuff when it's not Christmas. There are stars in there. We have the word happy. We have cheer. That's great for New Year's. Where I live, pine trees are super plentiful. There are numbers in here and all of that. So very great Christmassy things, but also stuff you can use on non-Christmas. And I love when collections do that. Oh, and I have this whole scrappy crush on Heidi Swap. So that, don't tell her. But that does work out. And then finally, we have the entire set of the Heidi Swap. We have the entire set of the Heidi Swap ephemera. I will show you like this, what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I did have this before, and this is one of those times I can tell you, I actually used every single piece of this collection right up. Look at that sweet little bear. Now, when I used this before with the bear, I had a picture of my son on Christmas. It was warm enough that he was washing his truck outside, and my husband called him Bear as he was growing up, so I had that with it. Also, to let you know, this also has both gold foiling as well as vellum pieces in it. It's kind of hard to get that from this. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll have links to where you can get your hands on these kits as well as our Facebook group. So come join us, and we're going to have lots of fun together. Bye-bye, friends.